He walked uphill in the mire by the side of the mail, as the rest of the passengers did, not because they had the least relish for walking exercise under the circumstances, but because the hill, and the harness, and the mud, and the mail were all so heavy that the horses had 3 times already come to a stop, besides once drawing the coach across the road, with the mutinous intent of taking it back to Blackheath. 他沿着油車旁邊，在泥濘中步行上坡，其他乘客也都如此。並非他們在這種情況下對步行運動有絲毫興致，而是因為這座坡、這副玩具、這片泥濘，以及這輛油車全都沉重不堪，以致馬匹已經3次停下來，不肯前進，甚至還曾一次橫住把車拖過路面，帶著一種叛逆的意圖，想把車拉回布萊克希斯。
Mire.
Mutinous.